then rotate the ball over the top.
1-2, DJ takes off. This ball's lobbed into right center field. It's going to drop. One run is scored. LeMahieu takes a turn at third and stops. Trevor Story with his first major league single. 1-0 Colorado.
Talk about fighting off a pitch. This was it for Trevor.
And the Story lengthens.
And it should. Fastball in, try to run it underneath the hands. He makes contact. That's right on the label. Was still strong enough and good mechanics to drop it into right field. If you're flying open with your front side, you're not going to be able to hit that ball to right field. You have to stay inside the baseball still, and that's what he did.